Hi everyone, Taylor Stockdale reporting in here at the Webb Schools, and it's Tuesday, May 19, 2020 for my weekly update. Great to see everyone. And first of all, I just want to acknowledge the really fine work of all involved last week for our Arts Week. We had a number of wonderful exhibitions, and of course we had the Art Cafe and then Jubilee Friday and Saturday night. So congratulations to everyone who participated in that and who actually made that happen, both students and faculty. So thank you so much. This week is all about tributes and recognitions for our We Are Webb theme. And before we get going with the main feature today, which is the Hooper Community Center, I just wanted to share with you some welcome news from yesterday, where we announced the winners of our annual teaching awards. And of course, I usually do this at graduation. I'll announce 2 in the morning for the girls' graduation and the other 2 in the afternoon for the boys' graduation. But I'd like to share with you the names of all 4 winners of our teaching awards this year. And then, of course, when we have our graduation for the class of 2020, we'll also recognize these people in person as well. So the people who select this, it's quite a range of people: students, faculty, staff, the deans, of course, Dr. Smith and Mr. Ho, and and actually Ms. Gherkin, the Dean of Faculty. So a pretty wide spectrum of people that come together and select these awards each year. So the winner of the Thompson and Vivian Webb Award, and this award goes to somebody that the schools feels embodies Thompson and Vivian Webb and has been here for 3 years or less. This year the award went to Mr. John Choi. So congratulations, Mr. Choi. A wonderful tribute to everything you're doing both in science and in the area of service and social justice. The Jean Eemiller Award is the award for a teacher who embodies the values of the school, who's been here for more than 3 years. And this year the award went to Mr. Brian Rogers. So congratulations, Mr. Rogers, and a wonderful tribute for everything that you do for the Webb Schools. The Demetriadis Prize is the prize that goes to the teacher who we feel embodies the spirit of unbounded teaching and learning. And this year it went to Lisa Blomberg. So congratulations, Ms. Blomberg, on your leadership of the science department and for everything you do in the spirit of unboundedness. And then the final award is the Macmillan Award in honor of Larry and Marguerite Macmillan, who were here for almost 40 years. And the Macmillan Award, actually, due to the abundance of talent, we had 2 winners this year, Dr. Ardina Greco and also Mr. Malik Mang. So to all of our winners, congratulations. It's a huge tribute, and again, we're going to do this in person at such time that we're able to. But please join me in congratulating them. Okay, so the main feature today is about the Hooper Community Center, and it's just coming along beautifully, and we thought we'd give you a little inside look at it. It's due to be completed and ready to open when we're back in the early fall, and the person that is making it all happen is with us today as my special guest of honor. I want to also thank the angels, the people who financially have made this possible, who wish to remain anonymous, but you know who you are, and I want to thank you so much as well. But the person at the boots on the ground, the person that is really making this happen from a construction standpoint, is our fabulous Director of Planning, Finance Planning and Operations, Mrs. Janet Peddy. Mrs. Peddy, great to have you here.
Thank you.
And let us hear a little bit about the Hooper Community Center.
Hi everybody. We've missed you while you've been gone, but we've been busy, and I have a lot to show you about your new community center. So come on. Okay, welcome to Centennial Plaza. We've created a new outdoor space for us to gather when we gather as a community that's large enough to accommodate us all and takes advantage of this beautiful vista that's south of Hooper Plaza. You'll notice a few things are gone, like the road, which is replaced by a new plaza, which rolls down into a larger amphitheater area. One of my favorite parts of the project, though, is about how we've married the old and the new. If you look at the design for the south end, it really mimics something that Hooper had in the past. There there was a lovely deck, observation deck, over the locker rooms, and the kids used to stand up there and watch the players down on the field below them. So we've embraced the old and celebrating the new. So Hooper is a historic building. It was originally designed by William Brandt back in 1930s. And he had a love of this Spanish Revival architecture, and you can tell which buildings on campus he did because they're all in the same genre. But one of the things we wanted to do is to honor that work and that historic nature, and this is actually the original entryway. We've left the relief. You can tell all of the tiles have been reused, as well as the old steel windows, but they've been replaced with energy efficient glass. So we've really tried to upgrade the building so it is more energy efficient. And yes, the rumors are true, there will be air conditioning. Another thing I'm really happy about is every project we do at Webb, we try to make it more accessible a campus. We know being on a hill, it's hard for people with mobility challenges. And so all the grading's been done around the building to make it easier for people to come and enjoy Hooper Community Center. To the north patio. I see us spending lots of great moments together here for Webb Idol and informal groupings during break and lunchtime. It obviously joins us nicely to the Nelson Performing Arts Center. And you'll notice the new doorways that go through the building here that form kind of this presidium, like stage-like feature.
Okay, everyone, come on inside to the Hooper Community Center. Let's check it out.
Done. We just have the finishing inside finishes to go. Some things that I especially love about the building is how we preserved the beautiful beamwork, but also incorporated new acoustic panels to help the sound in the building not be so live. Welcome to Cafe 1175. This will be a nice new addition, a place where we can grab a hot drink, a pastry, some healthy snack food, and enjoy it with our friends in this beautiful space.
Hey. All right, well, thank you so much, Mrs. Peddy. That's a fantastic tour, and thank you for everything you've done to create this into a reality, and we're going to be enjoying it next year when we show up and have our 2021 school year. Really, really looking forward to that. Just so you know, the turnaround is right behind Mr. Nichols, who's filming for us. And so you're going to come out of your car and you're going to face Hooper, and on this side there'll be the school name, the Webb Schools, founded in 1922, and on this side will be the mission statement of Webb, and then you'll come into this beautiful building. So that'll be the entryway. And speaking of the school year coming up, 2020-2021, I know people are wondering and asking about, are we going to be opening in the fall, etc.? The answer is absolutely yes. We are fully committed to that. I'm actually going to be writing a letter and sending it out with Dr. Smith tomorrow. That's going to begin to explain how we're going to go about it, because of course we're going to have to abide by all of the guidelines, the health guidelines, the Department of Health guidelines, etc. And we're going to have what we're calling a flexible hybrid model of education, but our full commitment is to be back here in person, because we know at the end of the day that we are absolutely the best when we're here in person, enjoying each other, etc. So just stay tuned for that letter and a series of letters and information over the next couple of weeks about the coming school year. Thank you so much. Have a great week.